Alright, so uh, I am in Amsterdam, and I figured I had enough time to hopefully do a quick proof for you guys. I think we're on number 6 now. I've already uploaded 1 through 5 for you guys, so we're looking at number 6. This is what it looks like. You can see that AB is perpendicular to this line, and they were nice enough to go ahead and give us this 90-degree angle. That's nice of them. And then we have DC is perpendicular to BC, so once again we have another 90-degree angle. So I see those two angles, and then we have that AC and DB are also congruent. Alright, so right now what I see is kind of this angle and this angle are congruent, and then we have, sorry, let me do it over here. This side and this side are congruent. So let's kind of write that down in our proof format. So hang on just a second. Alright, so number 1, we'll just say AB is perpendicular to BC, and the reason is given. Number 2, now that I'm thinking about it, I want to word it just a little bit differently. I want to say, instead of DC is perpendicular to BC, I want to say that angle DCB is 90 degrees, because I think that gives you a little bit more information than just repeating that same thing over again. And we're going to say given. Maybe that makes a little bit more sense. Alright, and then number 3, we have our other given piece of information. Remember that AC equals DB. So we have segment AC is congruent to segment DB. Thank you, Jesus. That is also given to us. So now we just have to figure out one other piece of information to be able to figure out that triangle. Oops, sorry, that should be a 5. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB. Okay. So I see that BC, in my nomenclature, I see BC is being used in both of them. So that should be some sort of clue to me that BC is being used in both of them. It's ironic how we keep coming back to the fact that we have a side that keeps being used again. So we should know by now that that is reflexive. And so then, let me go ahead and draw that. So we have a side and an angle. Remember, this angle is part of this other triangle. So we have side, side, angle, side, side, angle. Sorry, this other angle. Sorry if you didn't see that, my bad. So we now have the triangles congruent, which is perfect. So now we can use that CPCTC thing again. So remember, corresponding parts of corresponding triangles, of congruent triangles are congruent. If you didn't give me CPCTC on the test and you gave me something like they're congruent because they're in corresponding parts of the triangle, something to that effect, I'm happy with. Alright, so let's make sure we have here that we are proving AE now is congruent to DE. DE, so AE and DE. Now, we are not necessarily concerned that E is a midpoint or anything. That has no bearing on what we're doing right now, but we can say that since these two are on corresponding parts and the triangles are congruent, we know that these two are congruent. So I'm just going to abbreviate it by saying CPCTC. And that's all. So let me show you guys real fast what our airport looks like. I guess you can't really see outside too much. So gives you guys kind of an idea of what's going on. Sorry, it's not too exciting, but See you guys later. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.